And on this video, we're taking a look at 70mi's brand new A810 Lite Dashcam, which is probably right now the best bang for the buck as far as a 4K dashcam that can record in real 4K. It also offers GPS, voice control, app, 2 park mode types, and support for their 4G Hardwire Kit if you're looking to track your vehicle or access and view live video from the dashcam remotely. And on this video, I'm gonna show you all of its features. And I placed a link in the description down below to this dashcam if you'd like to get one for yourself. And here's what's included in the kit. First off, we get the dashcam and an inside mounted rear camera extension cable, power cable, and an automotive power adapter. Rear camera view can be adjusted by turning the camera. In fact, this mount supports completely turning around, which can allow for vertical mounting like the rear window on a pickup truck. And for mounting, I'm gonna peel this back, then I'm gonna put this on my windshield. You can also tilt the dashcam to adjust the view and also remove the dashcam from its mount. Memory card bay is located on the left side and it supports up to 512 gigs of memory. And this is the 70mi A810 Lite. We're shown the front view and the rear on a smaller split view, and also there is information for date and time, and we know we are recording. Now with the first button we can change views. Here's the rear, now with the front in the smaller one, front only, rear only. And tapping the button on the side turns off the screen while the dashcam continues to record in the background. And if you tap the second button, that is gonna flag and protect the section of the video that is recorded as important. We also get voice control. Let's try it out. Take photo, turn off audio, turn on audio, lock the video, and there's a couple more voice commands supported, which I'll show you in a little bit. And to play back the videos, that is done with the third button. Now you can sort the videos out. We get emergency video, parking surveillance video, time-lapse video, photos, or all videos all together. Now I'm gonna go down here and let's see if we can find a good one to play back. How about this guy right here? I'm gonna tap the check mark. The video begins to play back automatically. I'm gonna pause that, and you could always erase it with the trash icon. But let's take a look at the dashcam settings with the 4 button, and starting off with video settings, we get resolution. We're running the front at 4K while the rear stays at 1080p, but the front can also be decreased to full high definition. And the watermarks that are shown on the video can be customized. You can turn on or off the 70mi logo, speed watermark, or the coordinates watermark. There's also 2 adjustments for the rear camera. The rear camera can be flipped either horizontally or it can be flipped vertically. Moving over to parking security, what we know as park mode, it does require the optional Hardwire Kit to enable this, and the first customization is going to be whether you wanted to have unlimited park mode time or if you wanted to limit park mode to a certain number of hours. And we get 2 types of park mode. The first one is going to be collision detection, and the second one is going to be time-lapse photography. Now for collision detection, this is where the dashcam detects an impact when you are parked, and you can customize how sensitive it should be to detecting that impact while in park mode. You can also customize whether you want park mode to start immediately or to give you a little time to exit the vehicle, and also the LED indicator can be disabled or enabled. And the next park mode type is gonna be time-lapse photography. And if you're using the 4G Hardwire Kit, you get 1 extra option, and that is being able to customize the low voltage cutoff, which is what's gonna protect your vehicle's battery. You can tweak this up and down as needed. Moving over to smart travel, here's where you find the dashcam's G sensor, which can detect when you get into a car crash. And again, the sensitivity of that sensor is adjustable all the way from ultra high to ultra low. Here's also where you can enable or disable voice control and also see the voice commands that are supported. Now what's pretty interesting is that this dashcam supports voice control in several different languages. Here are the languages that you can choose from, and I'll scroll through here so you can see what's included in there. Next up is gonna be sound settings, and here you can customize what sounds you wanna hear coming from the dashcam, including the speaker volume and whether you wanna record audio by default or not. There's more customization under system settings. First off, Wi-Fi. This dashcam supports 2.4 GHz and also 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast and download speeds. And the dashcam can also get the date and time automatically from the GPS if you enable GPS auto time sync, and then all you gotta do is tell the time zone that you're located in, and it will pull the date and time for you automatically. And there is an adjustment for daylight savings time. If you happen to live somewhere that observes that, this can add or subtract an hour to correct for that time change. Next up is the system language. Now this is different than the language for the voice commands. This is the language for the dashcam itself, and there are quite a bit of languages in here to choose from if you wanted to change it from the default one. And on the next page of settings, here's where you can customize the speed unit between kilometers per hour or miles per hour. But now that I've shown you the features of the dashcam, let's go ahead and take a look at the app. And the app is called 70mai. Now using the app is optional, but it will give you a live view coming from the dashcam, and you can always see it larger, and you could even, with this icon, take a picture. Now you can also see the rear camera with this icon right here. Tapping that is gonna switch you over to the rear, and then tapping that one more time brings you back to the front. And if you go to album, here's where you can see and download the pictures and videos that are on the dashcam. They've been sorted out for you just like I showed you on the dashcam. But let's go inside of all videos, and you'll find that the videos are again sorted out into front camera, which is the main camera, or rear camera videos. And when you play back a video, you can see it on a smaller screen like this, or you can see it in a larger screen. Let's go ahead and pause that. What you can do too is you can download a copy of that video to your phone or delete the video. And if you use the select option, you can select multiple videos to download them or to delete them. And you can also change the dashcam settings by going into settings. And these are pretty much all the settings that I show you on the dashcam. They are customizable via the app. But now that I've shown you the app features, let's take a look at some driving video, including the audio test, to see how well this dashcam actually performs. And this is an audio test of the 70mai A810 Lite dashcam, and I am sitting on the driver's side seat. And this is an audio test of the 70mai A810 Lite dashcam, and I'm standing outside the driver's side door. And this dashcam does support a circular polarizer filter, which can help to eliminate reflections and glare from the windshield. And the filter actually fits on pretty good on the dashcam. I have run into other filters that don't fit as good, and it also has the ability to be fine adjusted while it's mounted, so I don't have to remove it to turn it, which is essential if you're trying to really eliminate glare and reflections from your windshield. Now, if you're looking to enable park mode, the only thing you'll need is the Hardwire Kit. Now, if you're you're looking to enable the 4G features such as remote live view, track the vehicle with the GPS capability, you want to go for the 4G Hardwire Kit. And I have another video coming up on this kit. Stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how this works. In the meantime, I think that this is going to be a really good solution for those who are looking for a good all-around 4K dashcam that still has some advanced features. So definitely consider this dashcam and potential upgrade with the 4G Hardwire Kit in the future. So I'll put a link to this dashcam in the description down below. And if you guys have any other questions regarding this, also put that in the comments. And if you found any part of this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button to support the channel and stay tuned as I have more dashcam videos coming up. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.